Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to solve this question, which is 1 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 4 minus 2 whole number 1 over 2 times 1 over 4, all divided by 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 times 1 over 2. Okay, so to solve this we are going to apply the rules of what we call PEMDAS, or some also know it as BODMAS. Okay, so let's get started. So we can take our first expression, which is 1 whole number 1 over 2. Now, to change 1 whole number 1 over 2 to improper fraction, we just do 1 times this 2 plus the numerator 1 all over the denominator 2 again. What do we get? 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 1 over 2. So we get 3 out of 2. Now with this, we get 4 times 1 plus 1 all over 4, which also gives us 4 plus 1 over 4, and it's equal to 5 over 4. Now we get the next one, 2 times 2 plus 1 all over 2 gives us 4 plus 1 as well over 2, which ends up being 5 over 2. With 1 over 4, we leave it as it is. So now what do we have? Let's rewrite our question. Now we have 3 over 2 divided by 5 over 4 minus 5 over 2 times this 1 over 4, which is already there, all divided by 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 times 1 over 2. So moving on further, we can start solving. We'll take this one and follow it this. But when we are following the PEMDAS rule, we have to do the multiplication side first, because this is parenthesis, this is expression, or exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So 5 over 2 times 1 over 4 gives us what? 5 over 8. Now with this, 3 over 2 divided by 5 over 4, what we are going to do is change the sign and reciprocate this expression. So what I mean by reciprocation is changing the 4 as a numerator and bringing the 5 down to the denominator side. Now when we cancel out, here we get 2. So we are going to get 3 times 2, which gives us 6 over 1 times 5, which is still 5. Now for the numerator, we've gotten 6 over 5 minus this 5 over 8. Okay. Now let me clear this side so we can continue solving from here. So let's take this expression now. 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 gives us 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 times 1 over 2, which also gives us 1 over 12. Now there is something called common denominators. So we can change this 1 over 6 to become 2 over 12, then plus 1 over 12. And we can now simplify it by getting 2 plus 1 gives us 3 over 12, just because both of them have the same denominators. We will talk about that in subsequent videos. So now we have 3 over 12 for this expression. So now 6 over 5 minus 5 over 8 ends up giving us, if you do what we call butterfly method, we get 6 times 8 giving us 48 minus 5 times 5 giving us 25 all over. I think my space is getting occupied, so I'll move it to this side afterwards. 5 times 8 gives us 40. Now we do 48 minus 25. 48 minus 25, 8 minus 5 gives us 3. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Now we get 23 over 40. Now remember, this is the denominator of this whole expression, so this line separates it. So now we divide it by 3 over 12. Also remember again that when we had division here, what do? We multiplied and reciprocated the other expression. That's basically what we are going to do in this. So let me clear this part so we get enough space. So now we are going to rewrite. We have 23. Let me just bring it to this side. 20 over 40 times 12 over 3. Now with 40 and 12, you can get a common number to cancel out. 40 can get 4 to go into it 10 times, and that same 4 goes into 12 3 times. So now we get 23 times 3 over 10 times 3. I did it this way so that we can cancel out these 3's, and now I left it 23 over 10. This 23 over 10 is the same as 2 whole number 3 over 10, or better still, if you want it in decimals, it is 2.3. So with all this question you saw, this is how to simplify and get your answer using the simple PEMDAS and BODMAS rules. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time, and have a nice day. Bye bye.